The Allianz Blue Eagle initiative helps you identify and fix some simple home maintenance issues in your house, creating a safer home for you and your family. Today, I'm popping by some Aussie homes to see how they're going. Tanya, of course, I've come here to say g'day to my old mates, but I want to talk about home maintenance. How is your roof?
It's on there.
You've never been up to have a look?
I haven't.
That's all right. I'm going to do that for you today. Check your roof, check your gutters.
Good, because I'm not. I'm going to probably have a sit while you do that.
Block drains can cause some serious damage when heavy storms roll in and are a huge fire danger come bushfire season.
Oh my God, hi.
Okay, Tanya, now that we've got rid of that,
Yes.
I'm going to give you one of these little beauties.
Good, what is it?
It's a cheese grater.
Obviously. Yeah,
Yeah.
for big parmesan.
It's not a cheese grater.
No, obviously.
It's a gutter guard and it stops all the build-up of that stuff in your gutters. Now, you could put this in yourself.
I don't want to.
Well, I figured that, so I've organised a professional to put it in for you.
Thank you so much. You are a legend.
My pleasure. How did your phone get up there?
Okay, well.
Long story. Allianz knows that a well-maintained roof is essential for protecting your home from the elements.
Ah, Allianz.